Hi, all. This is Dr. J, streaming live from Long Island, New York, where it was a gorgeous day, nice and warm, sunny, temperatures in the 40s. I'll take it for the beginning of March. No wind. The March winds were not a factor, and the stock market was closed. What a relief. I was getting a headache from too much stock market. Up and down. You know how they go. They go up. Stocks go up. They go up, then they go down. Well, the last couple of weeks have been mainly going down. We don't like them. We like up. So maybe it'll turn around on Monday and start going. Okay, before we get to the video charts, do your own due diligence. Remember that Dr. J's opinions are strictly his own and do not constitute investment advice. Please subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends about me. Give me a thumbs up. Write some comments. Give me stocks that you want me to chart. This is only part 1 on the Biotech Special Report. I'm going to have probably 3 parts. So let's get to it real quick, so I can do more. The quicker I talk and the less I tell you about what I did and whether I went to the gym or whether I took a walk or what I had for dinner, the less time I have for stocks. So it's a trade-off. I'm going to have to probably be a little more to the point, a little more direct, so I can get a few more of these charts in. Acrx, of course, was by request by a few people. It kind of fell apart over the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. At this point, it's at the ascending trend line, long-term ascending trend line. So it doesn't look that bad. In fact, it might be a nice buy pickup right in here. Pick it up here, and if it breaks trend, you dump it. I don't know. Dump it pretty quickly, I guess, if it breaks this trend line. If it doesn't, you can ride it back at least to the 375 level up here. So that's not bad for a trade. You buy it 327, sell it 375, stop loss at $3. What would be the low of the day here? 312, yeah, so $3. You're willing to lose 25 cents to make 50 cents. That's a 2-to-1 shot. It's a quickie, but why not? I don't know about the long-term prospects. I didn't have time to look. I did know, but I forgot, because I got so many stocks now on my list, I can't keep them straight. The fundamentals, what drug they're developing, and so on. What phase they're in, partnership rumors, buyout rumors, whatever. I think there was some buyout rumors for ACRX. Alny, I know that a little bit better because it's a RNAi therapeutic drug company, and I started buying into it at $86, and I missed buying it on Friday at 81 and change. I'm kicking myself. So if I get another chance to buy down by the 50-day, I will take it, average out my investment a little bit. I'm looking for it more as an investment than a trade. But if you want to trade it, you buy it around the 81 and change level. And you put in a stop at 75 and a stop and a target at 90. So that's not a bad trade. Amgen has hit the skids for a big pharma, but it's right at support. So it's a very good buy right here. Very good buy at $1.80. You buy at $1.80, you have a stop loss at, let's say, just below this candle. Stop loss at 177. and a take profit up at 190, 190-ish. So that's not bad. You're risking very little to make 10 points. Not a bad trade if you want to trade, but it's also a great investment because let's look at the channel it's in. It's very close to the bottom of its channel and very far away from the top of its channel. So you might play it that way for the long term. You're looking for 212 to 215 or longer or more. Might be looking for what's this number here? 215 and a tight stop below, let's see what this number is, 175. 215 to 175, I'll take those odds. But it's possible, and of course it might take you a long time to make the 215, but Amgen is a great company, and it's at a relative low at this point, and it's been in this channel a long time. So it looks like a pretty safe bet that it's really not going down. It'll be stopped by the lower end of the channel. Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's on and on and in the channel for so many months. This is Christmas time. Okay, it dipped below in November. Dipped below again in December. But for the most part, it's been solid. December, January, February, 3.5 months in this channel. It's a nice bet. Conservative, good bet. ARWR Interactive. I've been buying this one. I like it at 1750 as a buy. I missed it, but I should. I don't know what's wrong with me. Well, I'm probably very busy on Friday. Did I tell you what I was doing on Friday? I don't remember already, but I did. I should have bought this stock. I didn't buy it, so there'll probably be another opportunity down around 1750. In which case, it looks pretty good to me. Of course, if it goes through that, it will find support probably on this trend line at about 16. So if 1750 doesn't hold, you're probably looking at 16 and a quarter, something like that, as a support. You have a nice channel here too. And we know ARWR is like ALNY, RNAi drug therapy. Asterius is a stem cell company. They're into various things. They picked up a lot of intellectual property from Geron. I know they have a spinal cord program. I think they may have a macular degeneration program going on. I'm not sure. In any event, stem cells are the future. AST has the patents. So it's a pretty good long-term investment. And right now it looks like a pretty good short-term investment. You buy it at the 50-day if it drops down. It looks like it's not going to drop down. It looks like it's heading for that buck. Well, if it goes through the buck, you're looking for $1.21. I kind of like this one, AST. And maybe I've been hanging around with Musketeer too much. Atrs. Atrs Pharma, ATRS, had a big red candle the other day on Friday. Such a big red candle that it frightens me. So I would stay away from this one unless it comes down lower. Maybe you want to take a shot at it at about the, let's see, right about in here. If it hits I think it's going to hit the lower end of this trend line. It's just weak now. Might hit this area, about $3 and change, $3.10. They're the EpiPen maker, medical device maker. That one candle alone scares the hell out of me. CRMD, I'm not sure what they're into. A lot of you requested I chart it. So I'm just going by that. And the main thing I see here is a very long-term trend line that it's been finding great support on. The chart actually doesn't look bad because it holds that trend line. If it holds that trend line, it's going to go up. It'll eventually go back up, all the way back up. So the key is stay above the trend line. A drop below, a separation from the trend line would be bad. But short of that, this is still a very bullish chart. Okay, CVM. CVM, I have a fair amount of it, not a tremendous amount. It's been marching up, coming back off of a big one-day dip to 237. I don't know what caused that, but it formed a new trend line very quickly, right back up to the resistance at $3. Gets through this resistance, I think we're going to go up to 354. Of course, all of this while waiting for data. Normally, in anticipation of data, it makes a run. If it makes a run, it'll go to that 354 level. I don't know when the data is going to actually be read, and it's hard to know because you got to wait for enough people to die. It's very sad. You're looking at medium overall survival, so the key word there is median. And it's a head and neck shoulder trial, head and neck cancer trial. Actinium Pharmaceuticals, big red candle. I don't like that, but it's right at support at 56 cents. It's not a bad swing trade. You buy at 56 cents, you're out at 60 cents. 61 pennies, and you put in a really tight stop at 52 pennies. So you're looking to make 5 pennies to lose 4. I don't know. It's if you want to do that, but I think it's a pretty good long-term investment. If things break right for them, there's a lot of upward potential. I do know a little bit about the fundamentals here, being that I own a lot of it, but I don't really want to get into it too much because it's 10:17 at night. Suffice it to say that it pre-treats leukemia patients that are awaiting transplant. It pre-treats them as an alternative to pre-treats the bone marrow, getting it ready as an alternative to chemotherapy. That's it for tonight. I want requests for more biotechs, which I'll do tomorrow night. And then again on Monday. It'll be a 3-part sequence. Biotech Special Report Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. I hope you enjoyed Part 1. I know I did. I always enjoy chatting with you. See you tomorrow. Send those requests in. Hasta mañana. This is Doug streaming live from Long Island, New York. I want to say shalom, sayonara, arrivederci, au revoir, ciao.